Hey friends, if you wish to know the latest version of Windows on your computer, then please watch this video. So, the version of Windows keeps on changing frequently, and rather it may also change multiple times in a day. So, how would you know that? Here's what I suggest. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Make sure that all the updates are installed, and then you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Then type the command WINVER and hit enter, which is WinVer, and then it will open a window. Now this window mentions the version and the OS build. So the version is 24H2 and the build is the specific one. We are currently in the 26 series. Okay, and it is 4061 for my system right now, but it may be different for your, depending upon the build that you are on. And this is how you can find the latest version. But yes, you have to make sure that you update it. All the updates are installed on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.